Jira, we do have the ability to, if we are in, say, a backlog in a task, we do have the ability to communicate in Jira, but any changes to documentation, comments on documentation, we are limited to being in that issue, which is what Jira calls a task. And in ClickUp 3.0, we're going to have the ability to rename a task to be a bug, a feature request, a product request, an issue. So we'll have a lot of different capabilities with being able to rename the elemental item of a task in ClickUp. So in Jira, I would attach the documentation and I would have a conversation here very similarly in the comment section, but I wouldn't be able to go into the documentation, mark it up, assign, and easily create new items. So just a lot more clicking around, a lot more of a toggle tax in Jira. And of course, I always have the risk of not having the latest version. Version control is super important. So if we're using an in-app ClickUp doc, we know the version is the latest version. And this is discounting the fact that we can integrate Confluence and Jira, but I'm sure that every company out there is looking to decrease their costs. So knowing that they need to not only pay for Jira, but also requisition licenses for Confluence is a huge blocker.